talking face, so what? I'm a numb nigga, chop on me with a drum nigga, run up on me, you a dumb nigga, shoot shit up, Molly in my.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chill, and I'm back with another video, man. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we got another clothing unboxing for y'all today, slash a clothing try-on haul. Before we get into this video, though, make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos you want to see, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell. We're about 150 subscribers away from 4K, so keep showing me love. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, which will be in the corner of the screen and in my link tree in the description. Without further ado, man, let's get right into video. All right, y'all, like I said in the intro, we are going to be doing a clothing unboxing slash review slash try-on haul on some graphic tees. A graphic tee and a hat from the brand Misguided the Brand on Instagram. I will pop up her Instagram right here. This is a lady's brand who is carrying on the legacy of her son who passed away, RIP to him. And he sold graphic tees, you know, hoodies, graphic hoodies, stuff like that. And I thought they were fire. I actually put her brand slash his brand in one of my Where to Get Graphic Tees videos. I think the most recent one. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. But yeah, she appreciated the support, so she showed your boy some love as well and sent your boy a graphic tee and actually threw a hat in there as well. So we're gonna be reviewing that today. So yeah, like I said, this was free for me. The pricing on the website, though, I think was maybe $45 to $55. I can't, if I'm not sure. If I'm not correct, you can go check my recent video on Where to Get Graphic Tees, because like I said, this brand was in there. But I'll say if y'all wanted to get it, it will be $45 to $55 for the shirt. I will be putting the link to their Instagram in the description as well. So if y'all want to go check them out for yourself. Shipping was very, very fast until they took maybe no more than a full 5 days, a full week, you know what I'm saying? Because it did take 2 days to process, and then I think it took 2 days to ship, and it was supposed to deliver last night, December 22nd, but it delivered today, December 23rd. It is the holiday, so shipping was no more than a week, so it was very fast shipping. Yeah, so that was the pricing, that's the shipping. Now let's actually get into it and get to the try on. So this is the packaging. It has my address on the back, so I'm not going to show it, but it says thank you on the front. Thank you for your purchase. No, it says thank you. Your purchase has made my day, and I hope this package brightens yours. So if y'all really care about the package, very good packaging in my opinion. It has a little handheld bag too as well. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. I'm going to pop this open. We're going to get to the review and try it on. All right, y'all, so I unboxed it, and I can see clearly she already let me know she gave me the Ja Morant graphic tee that I put in my video that I thought was really, really tough, as well as a red and black trucker hat. This is a fire trucker hat as well. It comes in its own little clear packaging inside of the package, so that's very good in my opinion. I'm sorry about all the noise while I'm talking as well. Let me take this out and then start talking. So I'm gonna start off with the hat real quick. It is a dad type of hat. It says Misguided World on the front, and it has the little vintage sticker on here as well as the hat holder on the inside, and it has distress on it, as you can see. I don't wear hats too much, but depending on how this fits my head, I might rock it. If not, I definitely will give it to my little brother or whatever. It's a fire hat. I just have a really big head as well, so a lot of hats don't look that great on me, but this is a fire hat nonetheless. Let me see how it's looking. I'm not gonna adjust it. I'm gonna try to adjust it later. This is mostly about the graphic tee, but I just wanna, let me see. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is how the hat is looking. I got it on me. It's a fire hat nonetheless. Like I said, I have a really big head, so I don't wear hats like that. Fire hat. I probably give this to my little brother as a gift, just a quick little gift. But this hat is fire. You know, if you are a hat person and you look better in hats, you know, this might be more your style. I mess with the hat though. It's very cool. I love the distress on it. It's a very good material, and I love the Misguided World that's stitched into this. Looks really good. But yeah, let's get to the actual star of the show, the graphic tee, man. So like I said, I told her that, well, I didn't tell her, but on my video, I let her know that the Ja Morant one caught my eye, and what she did was send me the Ja Morant graphic tee. As you can see, this is what it's looking like. She did send me the white version of it. It is a black version as well. This is a size large. As you can see, it's like a screen printed tag on the inside. It says Misguided by Devi or Devi. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. With the size large. And as you can see, it's Ja Morant's face going across with his signature at the bottom. The quality is really good. It has that, I don't know what this will be called, but you can kind of hear the texture of the Ja Morant. The quality of the graphic tee is very, very thick. It has a very, very thick collar as well, which I love in my graphic tees. So yeah, I got the large. It looks pretty good. I like the oversized fit. From the bottom, right now, it's looking like it might be a little long, but like I said, I like the oversized fit, so this might fit me actually perfect. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on me, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so that's how it looked on me. It gave me the oversized look. It fit pretty good in my opinion. The shirt's overall really fire, great quality. You know, quality, not gonna lie, I'm gonna give that a 9.5 out of 10. That's exactly how I like my shirts to fit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really good. Style slash look, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's the quality of the John Morant on the actual shirt, very good. It's not like no tacky, cheap screen printed thing that will come off with a wash. It looks really good. Overall, a fire brand. Like I said, Misguided the Brand. Y'all need to check them out. Their link will be in the description as well. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all did, like it up. Comment if y'all want to see me do more reviews and stuff like this. If y'all like these videos, you know, let me know some brands that might want to show me some love. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, about 150 subscribers away from 4K. So keep running it up for your boy. Follow on Instagram and TikTok. That was down in the corner. Most of the video and in my link tree in the description. And I will catch y'all in the next one. I'm done.